Turn to page 25 and you'll see the investigation called Point the Way. In this investigation, we'll discover about velocity. Have you ever been asked for directions and you point to where the person needed to go? You are indicating direction. Similar to pointing, motion can be represented with arrows. Arrows can point left, right, up, or down, indicating direction. An arrow's length can vary to indicate speed. So a longer arrow would represent a faster speed. So an airplane flew from San Francisco to Washington. It went east because San Francisco is on the west coast. Approximately halfway through the flight, the plane had traveled 2,000 kilometers in 2.5 hours. What was the speed during this period? Now we just practiced speed, so let's start with the formula for speed, which is v equals d over t, distance over time. We can use v or s, it doesn't really matter. And then we plug in the numbers there. Our distance is 2,000 kilometers, our time is 2.5 hours. And then as we calculate that out, we end up seeing that that is 800 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's all it asked for was the speed. Now, moving on to number 2, we see that we have another plane that is flying in the opposite direction. So if it was going east, now it's going west. It covers the same distance in exactly 2 hours. What was its speed and direction? This time they are asking for direction, okay? So we're gonna use the same formula, speed formula, v equals d over t. And then let's plug in our numbers. 2,000 kilometers, because it's the same distance as up here, 2,000 kilometers, but this time it's in 2 hours. Okay, so let's do that math. We get 1,000 kilometers per hour, but it does ask for distance, so we need to add in west. That is the key part of velocity, is adding the direction. So for the bottom one, can you please use arrows to indicate east and west for number 3? Show your teacher when you're done.